as other time. What is crowd? I can minister to crowd as other time. What is raining now that you invite singers, gospel musicians, gospel singers to a crusade? They don't come early. They don't come. The glory is gone. They don't come early. You see somebody who is just starting up. You're seeing people, PA carrying their Bible, if they even have Bible. As other time. You see a young preacher, you have not even started anywhere. People are carrying his Bible, and he will just come and he will stand up. The next thing you see him on the pulpit, as other time, the glory is gone. Some say, I will arise. I will do it as I used to do it before. Oh, Jesus, help us. I will arise. I will go out as I used to do it before and shake myself. And shake myself. I will shake myself. When I shake, Obia, when I shake, the power has come. I will shake myself as I used to do it before. And he wist not that the Lord was departed from him. He wist not that the Lord is no more with him. You can go and sing in Experience 2010. You can go and sing in Experience 2030. You can go and sing in the whatever crusade organized by big men of God, and you sing those songs you used to sing before, but the glory is no more there. It doesn't artificial work. The glory is no more there. What do we need to do? We need to be vigilant. Samson was not vigilant to know that the glory is no more there. He was hoping on his past experience. He was hoping on his past power. He never knew that the glory is not there. The children of Israel never knew that the glory has left them. Though they have the ark, though they have the ark, though they have the ark, which is a symbol of the presence of God with them, but the glory is departed. Preacher, sir, evangelist, sir, minister, sir, prayer warrior, sir, bro, that your own ministry to blast in tongues, sir, as the glory not left you. Is the Lord still walking with you? Is the presence of God still with you? My Papa, my Lord Superintendent, my Lord Spiritual, God's General in the house that will hear my voice. Has the glory not left you? Are you not walking under carnality? I will shake myself, just as the children of Israel shake the earth with their voice, because the ark has come. The glory is not there. The glory has left the church, and that is why you see what we are doing today. Different kind of things, atrocity in the house of the Lord, because the glory is no more there. I will shake myself. Have we not shaken ourselves enough? Have we not done things on our own enough? In the things you are doing, are they not carnal? I will shake myself. Go get the ark. Go get the ark. Get the prayers. Get the fasting. Get the speaking in tongues. But the Lord is no more there. The Lord has left this church.